Alright guys, I'm Joseph Brandcamp and this is Average Joe Dividend Stocks. So this account, all I do is go over what my account does in the stock market. I started out looking what it would do in a recession, but as soon as I started making videos, stocks started going back up. So it's been pretty good. This week was kind of just nowhere. Went up a little bit, then went back down. It just pretty much stayed even for the whole week. Little ups and downs, little ups and downs. But the only thing I really got to talk about is the dividends. I received my Whirlpool dividend payment, so now I reinvest all my dividends straight back into the stocks that I own. So now I have a 0.046, I believe, of a free share. And then this week I collect more dividends. I collect Kraft Heinz. I collect Qualcomm for the first time. Kraft Heinz, I should be close to a second free share, so my free shares can start making me more free money off the dividends. And I'm actually up pretty good on Kraft Heinz. I was buying it way before the crash, so it's one of my bigger positions. My biggest position is Apple. I just really like Apple. The only thing that sucks is I only have 9 shares. I wish I had a lot more. But I've received a few dividend payments from Apple. I just don't have enough shares to make a big dent into it. But eventually, I plan on getting it built up. I got Kraft Heinz built up. So a few weeks ago, I made a mistake and I accidentally bought too much NAT. So I put my $50 in because I put $50 in every week, and I accidentally instead of putting 10 shares, buy 10 shares, I put 50, like my $50 I put in every week. So I had a margin. I finally paid that off this week. So now I can go back into buying stocks with my $50 every week. But I'm going to show you a chart from the last week. Like I said, it was pretty even. And I'm going to show you a chart from 6 months ago. Here it is right here. Alright, like I said, I already got one full free share of Kraft Heinz. So I get paid $1.60 every year for free with my free money. And then I should be close to a second free share. But if I get the second free share, I'll get paid $1.60 a year for both of those for free. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to build up my dividend money, try to take free money and make more free money out of it. Like I said, I got Qualcomm coming up with their dividend payment, and Kraft Heinz. I already received my Whirlpool, so now we gotta wait. Well, it'll be like 3 months. It'll be like 2 to 3 months because I'll start receiving the dividend payments from the stuff that I've already received, like Apple, Foot Locker, all that stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep receiving these dividends. Carnival Cruise Line, it went up real big. It was like 22 at one point. Now it's back down to 17. If it got anywhere above what my cost basis is, which is 27, I would sell it because, like I said, they're not making any money right now. If it made it to 27 before they even started making money, which they have earnings coming up next week, I believe it's next week. It's either next week or the week after. They have earnings coming up, and we all know that's going to be bad. But everybody keeps buying it, so the prices got driven up a lot. It was all the way down at 7 at one point, but if it makes it anywhere where my cost basis is before they start making a lot of money again, and plus they got a bunch of debt now that they've collected, I would go ahead and take the little profit or break even, as you can say, and put it back into other dividend stocks. Like I've thought about it. I might, if I do sell it, which I might not, it might not get up there by then, but if I do sell it, I'm gonna buy 2 shares of each company I've already owned. Maybe a 3rd share of Texas Roadhouse. I really love Texas Roadhouse. They're not paying a dividend right now, but I mean their business is growing. It's a great restaurant. I love that place. I feel like they're gonna be a big restaurant chain here in the next 5 years. They're gonna be everywhere. So I really love Texas Roadhouse. The food's great, service is great. It's just a great place to take your family and eat. Other than that, like I said, there ain't much to say about this week. Everything didn't really move. Moved up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit, down a little bit. So yeah, I'm about to go on vacation with the family, so I'm not gonna see you next week. I'll see you in a couple weeks, and I'll let you know what shares I buy next week and the week after, all in that video. But y'all have a great weekend, and I'll see you in a couple weeks. Oh, happy Father's Day.